Celebrate good times. Come on. Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. And guess what this is? This is my celebration for the 1,500 subs giveaway. And we're going to talk about that right here today. Aren't we, Tyrone? Aren't we, little Ty-Ty? Yes, we are. As you can see behind me, I've got lots of little goodies, and the dogs are even excited about it. They keep bumping into the camera. We got a whole bunch of stuff to try to give away. And even if you don't win anything, you can at least get one of my new shop cards. And there should be an email address here, and as well as in the link of where to get one of these wonderful little things, especially while I still got stickers. We'll make a pause for the puppies barking. Let's get you guys a little bit closer here, and we are going to talk about what we're going to give away for all this stuff. Yes, look at all these. So let's get you guys a little bit closer here, and we're going to talk about what we're going to give away today. Or, well, actually not today, March 8th. But first I gotta say, you know, I couldn't have done any of this without you guys. I mean, this is just such a wonderful and amazing community with how we share our knowledge, our skills, our passions for our hobbies. We share it with each other, we encourage each other, and it's just wonderful. Anything you need, somebody out there either has the part, has the advice, or has a way that you can get it done. And this is just, it's just amazing. It's the best community out there on YouTube. It's like one big family, one big club. And so many of you guys have turned into you're not viewers, you're not subscribers, you're friends. I talk to many of you weekly and even on a daily basis. Shaggy, Tiffany, John, Josh, Sam, Chris. I can't name you all because there's just so many, and I am grateful for each and every one of you. Alright, so in order to celebrate my 1,500 subs, we are going to give away at least 2 prizes. 2 big prize packs, not just prizes. The first winner is going to get his pick out of one of these three models: the 57 Chevy Nomad, the AMT 63 Corvette, or the AMT 1965 Bonneville 3-in-1 Custom Coupe. He'll get one of these picks. He gets the first choice. The second thing that he'll get to pick is one of these 3 beautiful custom X-Acto knives that I made, and there will be a video of these things coming up. This is a red and black and white pearl acrylic. Takes the standard number 11 hobby blade on it, and I've got one in this pink and blue wonderful colors. I hope this is coming through, the beautiful shine this is. And another one made from olive wood that is very special. I turned these on the lathes, and I might throw in a little clip of doing it on here. They're all 3 the same, with taking the regular X-Acto blades. These are truly one-of-a-kind things. Not only have you not seen many of these, but there's never going to be an exact one like this at all. Never. So the first prize winner is going to get his pick out of first one of the models, then whichever color X-Acto knife he wants. He's also going to get this airbrush cleaner kit that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and it has a little fluid tip cleaner. It's got the brushes, it's got the toothbrush. It's a great little thing, and It really, and keeping your airbrush clean is really you just got to do it. You just got to do it. That's the only way they work, is if they stay clean. They're going to get a set of the little alligator clips to help hold their parts. They're going to get some sanding sticks. Second prize is going to get one of 2 picks of the models, whichever 2 are left. They're going to get some anti-static tweezers. Actually, they're just plastic tweezers. But if you've seen my video of how to put magnets in the hood, and the trouble I was having with the little magnets, these are what you need to pick up those itty bitty magnets, because they don't stick to it. Some more sanding sticks and some alligator clips that I'm going to throw into this prize pack. I think I already said they will get a choice of one of these 2 that are left with the thing. Because it's the 250th year of our anniversary, I'm going to throw in this beautiful red, white, and blue pocket knife for the first place winner as well. That ought to be pretty cool. At least something to say, Happy Birthday, America. And let's see, I think there was something else that I was going to throw in, and I can't remember now. I might throw in more stuff anyways, just cause I can, because I got 1,500 of you out there that watch me. So how do you win all this stuff? Well, rules are pretty simple. You gotta be a subscriber. That's kind of pretty much thing. No, you don't have to have your own channel. No, you don't have to be a member of some club or anything like that. Just be a subscriber and comment on this video right here. And I'm even going to let it run for a couple days more than just the usual 7. I'm going to let it go till March the 8th. Sunday, March the 8th, about, we'll call noon the cutoff. And then Sunday night, I'll do the drawing and try to post that before Monday morning. I don't know exactly what my plans are going to be for next Sunday, so I can't say what time it's going to come out just yet. But we'll call Sunday noon the cutoff time for entering. Be a subscriber. Comment, I'm in. I'm in. That's it. Just, I'm in. You can throw out whatever else you want. Thank you. Put your glasses back on. Hide more of your face. Whatever. But also say, I'm in. So, what do you guys all say? You want to celebrate with me? Do you want to celebrate my 1,500 subs? Come on and join in this celebration and we'll have a good time. See you next time on Pappy Tinkers. And again, thank each and every one of you.
Whether you're painting model cars, armor, big rigs, t-shirts, or even people, Gallery has the right products for you. Don't forget to use code PappyTinkers at checkout for 10% off.